My channel. I am, of course, Ferrari King. Before we begin, don't forget to leave a subscription, a like, don't forget to subscribe, share, don't forget to watch my other videos, and of course, don't forget to check out my description for a link to my website. Well, of course, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist. Of course, you go to your YouTube, here you go with my channel. Whoops, I hit subscription on accident because I'm stupid. Hit my channel. Of course, my computer is going to take some time to light up. Now you see you have this God of War. If you go through my playlist, you'll notice that I don't have God of War playlists. Video Manager, right here. Here it is. The other one's about to load up. As you can see, click on this. As soon as it shows up. Sorry about this. I know I'm not the greatest at doing this. Now it's done. Info and settings. Right here. Add the playlist. Type in God of War. Create new. Create. And there it is. That's all you really have to do. That's how you create your playlist. It's the best thing about it, and the reason why you want to do this, it makes it easier for other people to find your videos. And so don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. And of course you can change your thumbnails, you know, like for example I like this one. So I'll just hit that. It's not going to change immediately. When you reload it, it's going to be up there. But you know, don't forget to like and subscribe and all the other good stuff. I realize they're better videos, but you know, thank you for watching mine. Thanks for watching, and you know, hopefully this is helpful.